Hi guys, this is Raf and welcome back. And I've been using this Samsung Galaxy Buds Live for weeks already, and here are my thoughts. So this earbuds design is quite different and stands out among the rest, especially in this world of full of AirPods copy. So you can get this on three colors: the Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. The one that I got here is this Mystic White, and it does have a design that looks like a bee in itself, with a glossy finish both on the buds and on its charging case. Although it does have this glossy finish, it's not a fingerprint magnet. And the good thing here is it also have a USB Type-C for charging already. So with its being designed, my first thought is that how would you put this on your ear? So the good thing here is there's a tutorial on the Galaxy Wearable app on how to put it on your ear. So first, there's a learning curve on how to put it, but once you got it, it will be easy moving forward. In my case, it fitted very well on my ear, and I'm surprised how comfortable it is and how discreet it is looking compared to other earbuds. I'm not an audio expert, but all I can say that it does have a great bass. So if you like EDM or rock songs, you will definitely enjoy it. I wish also volume could be a little bit more louder, but other than that, I don't have any complaints. I don't have any kind of Bluetooth issues on my usage, and the one thing that I really like about it is that you can connect it on a different devices. It will work on iOS, Android, and Windows devices. It does have also an ANC, or the active noise cancellation. It works, but since they have an open design and doesn't have like proper seal tips, it only blocks lower frequency noises. Touch control is a little bit finicky at first. There's a learning curve on how to use it, but once you're accustomed to it, it will be easy moving forward. I've used this also for indoor workouts, and it's great. I never had an issue of the buds live coming out of my ear. So it does have also an IPX2 rating for sweat proof, but be careful if you'll be using it for running or biking outside, since it's not totally waterproof. Mics are really great too as well with these buds. It does have these triple mics for clear calls as advertised, and it works great using on calls or on your video chats like Google Meet or Zoom. Battery life is great with these buds. It's rated to have 6 hours to 21 hours, including the charging case. So it takes days before it completely died. And the good thing here is, other than that it is USB Type-C, you also have a wireless charging option with this casing. So it does have this companion app, which is called Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, which you can download in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. With it, you can update software. You can also select from 6 EQ presets like normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. And based from my experience, I always choose the dynamic and the bass boost. And you can also remap the touch controls, enable incoming notification to be read aloud. You can also toggle hands-free Bixby if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phones. And there's also some experimental features that you can access through the Galaxy Labs tabs. Overall, I enjoy using these buds and it's perfect on what I need. It's good for video calls, for gaming, for listening songs while in workouts. And I like its unique design and how discreet it is on your ears. And I think this is the best alternative option for AirPods. Its regular price is around $150 to $160, but if you can get it with a discounted rate, that would be a great steal. And I was able to get it for less than $100 or around 4,000 pesos here in the Philippines. So get this if you'll be using it for video calls, if you want to listen songs with good bass, and if you want to have a great battery life, and if you wanted that discreet design. But if you're a big fan of active noise cancellation and an audiophile that wanted to get the best sounding through wireless earbuds, it's better to get the Sony's or the Galaxy Buds Pro or the AirPods Pro itself. So that is my review for Galaxy Buds Live, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.